Ever wonder how people make money just by clicking a few buttons on their phone or computer? It's not magic, it's Forex trading. And if you've never heard of it or don't know where to start, you're in the right place. Welcome to your beginner's guide on how to trade Forex and make money in 2025. Brought to you by Innohedge Limited, a trusted name in the trading world. Forex stands for foreign exchange. It's where people trade one currency for another. It's like exchanging US dollars for euros. But instead of just doing it when you travel, people trade these currencies to make a profit. Here's how it works in the simplest way possible. You buy one currency while selling another at the same time. Currencies move up and down in value all the time, depending on the economy, interest rates, and news. If you buy low and sell high, or sell high and buy back low, you make a profit. You don't need a lot of money to start. With a broker like Innohedge Limited, you can start small thanks to something called leverage. Leverage lets you trade more money than you actually have, but be careful, it also increases risk. That's why it's important to start with a demo account. Practice first without using real money. Here's what you need to get started: a laptop, tablet, or smartphone with internet, a Forex trading account with Innohedge Limited, a trading platform like MetaTrader 5, basic knowledge of how currency pairs work. Now, let's talk about how you can actually make money. Learn how to read charts. Charts show you how a currency's price is moving. Use something called technical analysis. This means using patterns in the charts to guess where the price might go next. Also learn fundamental analysis. This is where you look at news and economic events to decide if a currency will go up or down. You don't have to guess or go in blind. Innohedge Limited gives you access to daily market insights, economic calendars, and expert support to guide your decisions. You can set something called a stop loss, which closes your trade if things go bad so you don't lose too much. You can also use take profit, which automatically closes your trade when you hit your profit goal. Start small, stay consistent. Don't try to get rich overnight. That's the fastest way to lose. Stick to a trading plan. Decide how much you'll risk and what your goal is for each trade. Always keep learning. The more you understand the market, the smarter your trades will be. Here are a few extra tips. Only trade with money you can afford to lose. Don't let emotions control your trades. Use tools like risk calculators to stay in control. Study your past trades to learn from your mistakes. And most importantly, stay patient. Forex is not a get-rich-quick game. It's a skill. Just like learning to ride a bike or play an instrument, it takes time and practice. But if you stick with it, you'll get better. With the right knowledge, tools, and mindset, Forex can become a way for you to grow your money from anywhere in the world. So, are you ready to start your journey? Sign up with Innohedge Limited today and take your first step into the world of Forex trading. It's not just trading, it's your future.